Every day, our skin is exposed to products filled with long ingredient lists, artificial fragrances, and harsh formulas that may not always work well for everyone. Sometimes choosing simple ingredients, inspired by nature, can be a gentle way to care for your skin and understand exactly what you're applying. For generations, natural beauty rituals have used powerful ingredients from the earth to support soft, healthy-looking skin. Ground rice is one of those timeless beauty ingredients. Known for its gentle exfoliating texture, it helps remove buildup from the surface of the skin and reveals a smoother, brighter-looking appearance. Rice has been treasured in beauty traditions because it leaves the skin feeling polished, fresh, and renewed. Ginger is packed with natural antioxidants that help protect the skin from everyday environmental stress. Its warming properties bring a refreshing feeling to skincare routines while helping tired-looking skin appear more energized and revived. Hibiscus, often called nature's beauty flower, is loved for its rich antioxidants and naturally occurring plant acids. It supports a smoother-looking complexion, helps improve the appearance of dull skin, and brings a radiant glow. Lemon oil adds a refreshing touch with its clean, uplifting scent. It has been traditionally used in skincare rituals for its purifying feel, leaving the skin feeling fresh and awakened. Honey is one of nature's most loved moisturizers. It helps attract and retain moisture, keeping the skin feeling soft, smooth, and deeply nourished. Simple ingredients, beautiful traditions. A skincare ritual inspired by nature, because caring for your skin should feel as good as the glow you're creating.